one thing I don't like is older people and dogs. It's probably gonna be a quick video. I'm just doing like an in-cabin point of view, whatever you want to call it. Sorry about my chapped lips. You guys just get to hear S58 sounds. So enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and you know what I mean? X3M, 2020 X3M, Catless downpipes, single mid pipe, dying and axle back, tuned, trans, ECU, all the good stuff, just no front mounts, chapped lips, ghost energy. What are you gonna do? How we doing? Sorry about the wind, but I want you guys to hear it more, so we're gonna have to deal with the wind. Hopefully this doesn't destroy the audio. If it does in post, I'm just gonna delete this video and act like it never happened. So, what are you gonna do? Beautiful sounds out of this stock motor, stock turbo X3M. I'm gonna go wherever this guy isn't going in front of me. Please don't go right. Nice. I try to get off of it right before I scared them, because I love animals. It is windy. So at the time of recording this video, I have so many different videos that I have to edit. I think I have yeah, sounds crazy. I think I have about 5 or 6 videos to get to editing to post on this channel and another channel. The other video that I just made is the first video that I'm going to be posting on the other channel, not car related. Feel free to check that out. Maybe I'll plug myself. I don't pause. Maybe I'll plug that somewhere here. Who cares? Not car related, but similar style video. Just recorded that. Especially when I'm around foliage and it can bounce off of buildings and trees and whatnot. Sounds crazy, truly. Love this thing. And no, none of this is real. I'm CGI. This whole video is CGI. I've been more than following the speed limit. I'm from New Jersey. The speed limit is an unwritten code. It'll say 35 miles an hour, but everybody knows it's 65. All right? Welcome to New Jersey. That's what I like to hear. Out the turbo. I wish you guys could hear this in person. If you ever see me at a car show or something like that, you know, feel free to come up, say hello, and, you know, maybe I'll beat the box for you a little bit. Pet, 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 pet. It's like hearing a fucking nasty 808 on a beat or some shit, bro. It's just like, ugh. Every time, too. Get a little rolling anti-lag. Yeah! Ugh. Oh! Now, of course, I'm not using that because I just like the sound of it. That's the only purpose for my rolling anti-lag on this car. Let's try not to get whacked here. We did not. Oh, Jesus, what the hell is that? Look at that. That bump just totally fucked things up. Let's see if I do the auto track on my face, what that's like. Nope, nope, that's not my... No, no! That's my penis. There we go. This is auto track on my face. Ah! Ah! Maybe I should start doing this for this style video because, like, I could go over here, there. Oh! How does it know? How does it know? It's all AI, probably, right? Every time, bro, I'm telling you, it sounds nasty. No burbles. It's Sunday, got work tomorrow. Another beautiful day at my job, which I got a new job and I'm finally enjoying it. This will be 1 month this week that I've been there, and I'm enjoying it so far a lot. So, God bless. You know, life sucks, but it's not all shitty. It's just existence that is a little painful, you know? Now, as you're gonna see, probably in the background, some beautiful houses around here. You might not see it because I'm driving and I'm gonna be going right past them, but I'm gonna try not to be too much of an asshole around here. Might cut out most of this because I won't be driving like an asshole. I take that back. The one thing I don't like is older people and dogs. That sounds crazy. The one thing I don't like is scaring those people driving. Like, I don't want to scare them when they're next to me on the road or anything. But that sounds absolutely fucking hilarious out of context. I'm gonna clip that and I'm gonna make a video out of that for my TikTok or whatever it may be. Because that was pretty good. Beautiful houses. I'm not gonna tell you the name of where I am because y'all are creepy, y'all will find me, and y'all will, I don't know, hopefully not do anything other than possibly know around the area that I live. Good year this year. Let's make this a good year. That downshift into first gear, every once in a while I get a nice little pop. And I can imagine it's probably super loud from the outside because it's kind of loud from the inside. And it sounds cool, so. Oh my God, this thing is everywhere. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. subscribe, you beautiful people. And make this year a good year for yourself. Stop falling into your own traps. Stop, you know, falling into your own traps, because most of the time that's the downfall of everyone. So, God bless. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm Striggs, whatever the fuck you want to call me. And God bless.